Welcome to Animal Adventure World. Today, we're flying high to meet some amazing birds. Big ones, tiny ones, colorful ones, and even ones that can't fly. Are you ready? Let's go! Eagle. Eagle flies high with super sharp eyes. Parrot. Parrot can talk and copy your voice. Penguin. Penguin, a bird that can't fly but swims like a rocket. Owl. Owl can see in the dark and turn its head almost all the way around. Peacock. Peacock shows off beautiful, colorful feathers. Flamingo. Flamingo turns pink from the shrimp it eats. Hummingbird. Hummingbird flaps its wings faster than you can blink. Toucan. Toucan has a giant, colorful beak. Bald eagle. Bald eagle, the proud national bird of the USA. Crow. Crow, clever enough to solve puzzles. Dove. Dove, a peaceful white bird that everyone loves. Swan. Swan, so graceful on the water. Seagull. Seagull flies over the beach looking for fish. Woodpecker. Woodpecker taps on trees with its strong beak. Ostrich. Ostrich, the largest bird, can't fly but runs really fast. Kiwi. Kiwi, a tiny bird that lays a big egg. Macaw. Macaw, bright and colorful parrot from the rainforest. Vulture. Vulture cleans up nature by eating leftovers. Pelican. Pelican has a stretchy pouch for catching fish. Falcon. Falcon, the fastest bird in the world. Robin. Robin, a cheerful bird with a bright red chest that sings in the morning. Pigeon. Pigeon. Smart city birds that can find their way home from far away. Parakeet. Parakeet. Small, colorful, and loves to chatter happily. Canary. Canary. Famous for its beautiful singing voice. Albatross. Albatross has the biggest wingspan of any bird and glides over oceans. Wow! We met so many beautiful birds. Which one was your favorite? The fastest, the fluffiest, or the most colorful? Don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on more animal adventures. Thanks for watching, little explorers! See you next time. Bye!